Welcome back my dear friend. In this video I am going to show you how to add apps to your home screen on your Android phone. If you are new here my channel, please subscribe and also like this video. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then simply swipe the home screen to open the app door. Here you can see all of the install and pre-install app listed there. Simply scroll through the page, find the exact app if you want to add it to your home screen. For example, I am added the Snapchat app my home screen. Simply tap on hold the app name. After the pop-up menu appear, select add to home. And right now this app icon automatically added my home screen. Don't worry, you can also change the position. Simply tap on hold the app icon, then drag it to desired spot and release your finger. And right now this app icon automatically added them. However, if you decide to another way, you can edit your apps icon on your home screen. Don't panic, this is also available. To do that, simply swipe the home screen again, find the exact app if you want to add. For example, this time I am at this Facebook app icon. Simply long press the icon, then drag it to the top to bottom, find the exact spot where you want to set, then release your finger. And just like that, you can easily edit app icon on your home screen. Hopefully this guide will help you. Thanks for watching.